In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you all. This is an English session, grade 8. Unit 5, grammar. Last lesson, I explained two types of comparison. The first one was the positive degree. And we have known that in the positive degree, people equally share the same attributes. The form and the form as plus adjective plus as is used. In the negative form, not as or not so plus adjective plus as is used. Again, last lesson I explained two types of comparison. The first one was the positive degree. And we have known that in the positive degree, people equally share the same attributes. The form as plus adjective plus as is used. In negative, the form not as or not so plus adjective plus as is used. The second one was the comparative degree. And we have known in the comparative degree, we compare only two people or two things in relation to one or more attributes. With short adjectives, the form adjective plus er plus than is used. With long adjectives, the form more plus adjective plus than is used, or less plus adjective plus than is used. Let's answer this question. Rewrite. Rewrite means to write the sentence again using the words or word in the brackets. Number one, Hind is beautiful. Hana is beautiful. They have the same attributes. So the sentence must be Hind is as beautiful as Hana. Hind is as beautiful as Hana. The second sentence, Omar is not tall. Nadir is not tall. They haven't the same attributes. Use not as. Omar is not as tall as Nadir. The third sentence, Nadir is short. Correct. Mike. Nadir is short. Mike. Nadir and Mike. Short is an adjective. It's short adjective. Nadir is shorter than Mike. In this sentence, I made a comparison between Nadir and Mike. Short adjective, adjectives plus er plus than. Nadir is shorter than Mike. Number four, this TV is wonderful than ours. Compare. This TV is wonderful than ours. Compare between the two TVs. This TV is more wonderful than ours. In this sentence, I made a comparison between this TV and our TV. Okay? Today, I'm going to explain the third type, which is called the superlative degree. Which is called the superlative degree. In the superlative degree, we make a comparison between one person or one thing in relation to the rest of the group. One person or one thing in relation to the rest of the group. With short adjectives, the form the plus adjective plus est is used. With short adjectives, the form the plus adjective plus est is used. For example, which is the biggest animal in the world? Of course, the blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. According to the rest of the animals in the world, the blue whale is the biggest. Big is a short adjective. The plus adjective plus est is used. Which is the tallest animal in the world? Tall is a short adjective. The giraffe is the tallest. Tall is a short adjective. We add est. The tallest animal in the world. According to the rest of the animals in the world, the giraffe is the tallest. With short adjectives, the form the plus adjective plus est is used. Don't forget the adjective, add est at the end of the adjective. The blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. According to the rest of the animals in the world, the blue whale is the biggest. The second sentence, the giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. According to the rest of the animals in the world, the giraffe is the tallest. With long adjectives, the form the most plus adjective or the least plus adjective is used. With long adjectives, an adjective, an adjective which has more than one syllable. For example, expensive, important, dangerous, wonderful, boring, and so on. Long adjectives, the form the most plus adjective or the least plus adjectives is used. For example, the or Salah is the most important player in our team. In this sentence, I made a comparison between Salah and the rest of our team. Salah is the most important player in our team. Again, with long adjectives, the form the most plus adjective or the least plus adjectives is used. Complete the following sentence. After we have finished, it's time to practice. Complete the following sentence. Number 1, I think geography is a space science. I think geography is a space science. We make a comparison between geography and science. Is Boring is a long adjective. Is more boring than science. I think geography is more boring than science. Number 2, the train is space than the bus. In this sentence, I made a comparison between the train and the bus. Short adjective, the train is faster than the bus. Number 3, Omar is the space student in the class. Omar is the space student in the class, the thinnest. We make a comparison between Omar and the rest of the students in our class. The lion are a space animal in the world. The lions are a space animal in the world. Are the most dangerous animal in the world. The lions are the most dangerous animal in the world. In this sentence, we made a comparison between the lions and the rest of the animals in the world. We have finished. Goodbye. Thank you.